Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a game changer for anyone working with Doosan or Daewoo heavy equipment. I'm talking about the CodeMechanic diagnostic software, a powerful tool designed specifically for these machines. If you're running excavators, wheel loaders, or any other Doosan heavy iron, you'll want to stick around for this. So, what exactly is CodeMechanic? Think of it as a direct line into the brain of your machinery. It's a specialized diagnostic software that lets you see exactly what's happening under the hood, or in this case, inside the complex systems of your equipment. It's not just about reading simple error codes. This software goes way beyond that. Let's get into the specifics. One of the biggest headaches in heavy machinery is diagnosing hydraulic problems. They can be complex, time-consuming, and expensive to troubleshoot. With CodeMechanic, you can tap directly into the hydraulic system to read fault codes. But it doesn't stop there. You can monitor real-time data, like pump pressures, and see how individual valves are performing. This means you can pinpoint a failing pump or a sticky valve without hours of manual testing. Imagine the downtime you can save. The software provides an incredibly detailed view. You can see live data streams from various sensors, helping you identify intermittent issues that are notoriously hard to catch. Is a sensor sending erratic signals? Is a pressure reading dropping unexpectedly under load? CodeMechanic lays it all out for you on your laptop screen. This level of insight is invaluable for preventative maintenance, allowing you to spot potential failures before they lead to a major breakdown on the job site. But it's not just about hydraulics. The electrical system in modern machinery is just as complex. CodeMechanic gives you a comprehensive overview of the entire electrical network. You can check for wiring issues, test solenoids, and diagnose problems with controllers and modules. Instead of manually tracing wires and checking connections one by one, you can let the software guide you directly to the source of the problem. This is a huge advantage for technicians, making their job faster, more accurate, and a whole lot less frustrating. And of course, we can't forget the heart of the machine, the engine. CodeMechanic provides full diagnostic capabilities for the engine as well. You can read and clear engine fault codes, monitor critical parameters like temperatures, pressures, and fuel injection data. This is essential for maintaining optimal engine performance, ensuring fuel efficiency, and complying with emissions standards. Whether you're dealing with a performance issue or just doing a routine checkup, this tool gives you all the engine data you need. Let's talk about who this is for. If you're a heavy equipment technician, a fleet manager, or an owner-operator of Doosan or Daewoo machinery, this software is a must. For technicians, it streamlines the diagnostic process, saving countless hours and improving first-time fix rates. For fleet managers, it provides the data needed to implement effective predictive maintenance programs, reducing overall operating costs and maximizing uptime. For owner-operators, it empowers you to understand your machine better and make informed decisions about maintenance and repairs. The user interface is designed to be intuitive. You connect your laptop to the machine's diagnostic port using the appropriate adapter, fire up the software, and you're in. You can navigate through different systems: hydraulics, electrical, engine, and access the specific data you need. You can also perform special functions and tests, like calibrating components or actuating solenoids directly from your computer. In today's competitive environment, efficiency is everything. Having a machine down for even a day can cost thousands in lost productivity. The CodeMechanic diagnostic software for Doosan and Daewoo is an investment that pays for itself very quickly. It transforms troubleshooting from a guessing game into a precise, data-driven process. You'll fix machines faster, reduce parts wastage from incorrect diagnoses, and keep your fleet running at peak performance. It's about working smarter, not harder. That's a quick overview of what this powerful diagnostic tool can do. It truly is a comprehensive solution for anyone serious about maintaining Doosan and Daewoo heavy equipment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on heavy machinery, tools, and tech. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.